Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. We're here at ELRIG Drug Discovery 2022 at the London XL. It's day one and I'm delighted to be at the Cell Signaling Technology booth with Mark Twigden, who's going to tell me a bit more about CST and what they're talking to delegates about this week. So first of all, Mark, it's lovely to see you. How are you, my friend?
I'm very well. Good to see you again as well.
Yeah, well, last time you and I met was actually, I think, in a rainy Manchester way back in November for their flow cytometry event that ELRIG ran. So it's good to see you here. Before we start talking about CST, can you tell me how has the day gone so far? Because it's day one and we're into the afternoon.
It's been really busy, and I heard even more delegates this year. I think 1,400 have turned up, so it's been busy and we've met loads of wonderful people. Brilliant.
Now, for those people not familiar with cell signaling technology, can you give me a quick overview of the business?
Yeah, no problem. So we're primarily an antibody company. We manufacture them all ourselves and we're scientists driven. So we do a lot of scientist to scientist interactions, and we can provide a lot of signaling antibodies for any of your research.
Brilliant. And what makes you different then to some of the companies out there who offer similar services?
Yeah, so 99% of our antibodies are manufactured in-house. So we're a complete antibody producer, really. And we can also fulfill a number of custom applications, whether or not that's doing screening or IHC or flow cytometry. We can customize your antibody how you like it.
Brilliant. Now, I know you've got some competitions running this week for the visitors. So how are you interacting with some of the customers here?
Yeah, so we have a wonderful, well, you can win one of these wonderful towels.
Yep.
And all you have to do is come to stand L9 and build an antibody.
Fantastic.
So yeah, and the fastest times get towels or water bottles.
Brilliant. And as well as that though, I know you have a poster presentation as well.
Yeah, we do. It's over at, it's number 70, and my colleague Yannick is presenting that.
Brilliant. Well look, with the wonders of technology viewers, we're actually going to get, as an added bonus, a quick look at that poster as well. So bear with us and we'll be back with you in a split second. And by magic, we're over by the posters, everyone. And as you can see, Mark has now transformed into Yannick Nossin, who's now going to talk me through his poster, which you can see is entitled Efficient Discovery of Target-Specific Antibodies Using High-Content Imaging. So Yannick, nice to see you. How are you, my friend?
Yeah, thank you. Fine. So, as Mark already mentioned, for cell signaling, validation is really important. And we're using high-content imaging for two things: antibody discovery as one half and antibody validation as the second one. In the discovery part, we use high content, as you can see here, to pick target clones that have an high impact or are strongly expressing for immunofluorescence.
Right.
And go then the next step to see if these markers or these antibodies actually bind in the cell where we would want to see them, as you see in the next image.
Right.
To then further specify if they are really specific, we go into a Western blot and can actually see if they are tested with this high content imaging and ELISA, that these collected clones are actually really specific. With then one clone picked that we want to then pursue further, we're looking at the next part, the antibody validation.
Right.
Where we use high content imaging to use different cell lines, different concentrations, to see what would be the most optimal way to use this antibody. Using then this, we can again check in a normal IF context, if this in a low throughput context, if this formulation really works, make nice images for the website, and get to our final product that is approved for immunofluorescence, that we will guarantee will work in your IF context if you follow our protocol.
Fantastic. Now that is obviously a very quick overview of the poster here, people. So if you'd like to know more and have Yannick talk you through properly the whole of the poster, then come and visit poster number 70, and Yannick will be happy to talk you through that in more depth this week. So Yannick, thank you very much for that. Now, if obviously people are here this week at XL, at the Drug Discovery 22, then you can come over to their booth and talk to the team. Check out the poster with Yannick as well. If you can't do that, I'll put the link to the website above the video so you can find out more. You guys aren't speaking this week, are you?
Sorry?
You haven't got a presentation this week though?
No, sadly not.
Just the poster, perfect. All right, so there you go. You've got the poster here for people so you can watch that. So, Yannick, thank you very much for giving me that overview.
Thank you.
Viewers, as I say, if you're here at DrugDiscovery22, check out the CST booth and check out the poster as well. And also, if you can't make it, then check the website link, which is above the video. Yannick, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the show. Viewers, thank you for watching. And until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.